learn about shape's name. This is circle. Circle-shaped donut, circle-shaped ball. This is triangle. Triangle-shaped pizza, triangle-shaped watermelon. This is oval. Oval-shaped watermelon, oval-shaped egg. Rectangle. Rectangular-shaped TV, rectangular-shaped book. Star. Star-shaped balloon, star-shaped magic tape. Square. Square-shaped box, square-shaped watch. Heart. Heart-shaped chocolate, heart-shaped lollipop. This is diamond. Diamond-shaped kite, diamond-shaped puppet. Hello kids, today we will learn about farm animals. What is this? This is cow. What is this? This is horse. What is this? This is rooster. What is this? This is hen. What is this? This is buffalo. What is this? This is duck. What is this? This is bull. What is this? This is dog. What is this? This is cat. What is this? This is sheep. What is this? This is fish. What is this? This is goat. What is this? This is donkey. Like and subscribe ABC Kids for Kids Learning.